Before modern architecture transformed our cities, buildings looked very different. They were heavy, decorative, and inspired by the past. Gothic cathedrals, Baroque palaces, and classical temples dominated skylines. Architecture was about beauty, tradition, and ornament. But then, everything changed. In the late 1800s, the Industrial Revolution reshaped society. Factories expanded. Cities grew rapidly. Machines replaced handcraft. And for the first time in history, materials like iron, steel, and large sheets of glass could be mass-produced. This was not just an economic revolution. It was an architectural revolution. With steel frames, buildings no longer needed thick stone walls. With reinforced concrete, structures could rise higher and stretch wider. With glass, walls could become transparent. For the first time, architects could design buildings that were lighter, taller, and more open than ever before. One of the earliest symbols of this new era was the Crystal Palace in London. Built almost entirely of iron and glass, it shocked the world. It wasn't decorated like a palace. It was transparent, industrial, modern. Then came the Eiffel Tower in Paris, a structure that celebrated engineering itself as beauty. The message was clear: the future of architecture would no longer imitate the past. The Industrial Revolution didn't just change materials. It changed thinking. Architects began asking, why decorate buildings like ancient temples when we live in a machine age? Why hide steel behind stone? From this question, modern architecture was born, a style that embraced industry, simplicity, and function. And from the smoke of factories and the steel of new cities, modern architecture stepped into the world.